So welcome to the second session, and in this second session, what I will be taking you through is actually we'll be doing uh, numpy, and this is the foundation of numerical computing, numpy. So first, what we need to do on our terminal, let's install numpy by doing pip install numpy. Just like that, and enter. We can create a virtual environment and using all these dependencies to create our numpy. So once we have finished installing our Python, what we're going to do is we're going to now in the app.py which I've created, we're going to import numpy. Now as np, and this is our first code, and in our first code we are going to create an array using numpy. So let's create an array, and let's create an array like that, an array called np array. So what we're going to do then is print this array. Print our array. Let's put it as original array. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this, and I expect the Python to the terminal to give us the original array. That's just simple, and that's the expected output. But when we come to something like a 2D array, so what we're going to do now is a 2D array. Let's call it matrix. It's a matrix. Matrix of NP array, and we have inside that matrix we have 1, 2, 3. Let's say up to 9. Now let's print our matrix. Print our original matrix, and then let's do this. Print original matrix to be matrix. Now if we run this, we expect this to be like this as the expected answer. Since these are three, this is a 2D array. We can have even a 3. It is a 3D array. Now, what we can also learn in NumPy, we can learn array operations. Something very simple. Now, let's call our A to be an MP array 1, 2, 3, something like that. Now what do I want us to print here is print A plus, let's say print A plus sorry, what we want to is print A plus 2. Also, we can print a times 5. Let's say times 5. And also we can print a divided by 5. So something like that. A divided by 5, a times 5. Now, what we expect is this array. What do we expect? The expected output, of course, that plus. If we run it, and this is the answer. So plus, it's added 2 to each of them, then it is multiplied by 5 to each of them, and that's it. It's just a simple way of array operations. One thing we can also learn in numpy is finding the mean. Now, I've told you earlier that numpy is used for multiple operations, so we can find the mean. Let's say we have our scores, array, our scores variable. In our scores variable, let's put 10 to 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So these are the scores. Simple. Now, what I want us to print, not the scores, I want us to print the mean and the mean of the scores. That's one thing we can do. Also, we can print the max of the maximum value in this code. The maximum np dot np max, just a max. Inside the max, put scores. Also, we can have the standard deviation in this. So we can print the standard deviation in this. And for us to find the standard deviation, it's the std of scores, something like that. Now let's run this, and we'll get 3 outputs. So the first output will be the mean, and then the maximum, and then the standard deviation. Just a simple introduction of numpys.